Meet the Onkyo TX-SR3100, your home theater's new MVP. This isn't just an AV receiver, it's the quarterback of entertainment. 5.2 channels of audio muscle flexing for your movie nights. Dolby Atmos? Check. Like sound is parachuting from your ceiling. Dolby Height Virtualizer? No extra speakers? No problem. It fakes height like a pro basketball player's dating profile. DTS:X support means sound flies around like caffeinated bees. Engineers map sound in 3D space. Your living room becomes a jungle. Explosions behind you, whispers beside you, popcorn everywhere. Classic movies? This receiver gives them a 3D upgrade. HDMI 2.1a, 8K 60 and 4K 120 support. Eyes, meet future. Dynamic HDR. Colors so sharp your TV might blush. 60 Hz refresh rate means action scenes don't look like a slideshow. Ready for high-speed gaming and blockbuster movies. Your system is future-proof, like a time traveler with better taste. AccuEQ room calibration, the AV equivalent of a personal trainer. It measures your room, calibrates sound, and flexes acoustics. Big room, small room, weird room, audio stays exceptional. Compensates for speaker size and distance automatically. You don't need a PhD in acoustics, just press start. Bluetooth streaming, your phone's playlist invades your speakers. Pair once, and it remembers you like your grandma does. Automatic playback when Bluetooth audio comes knocking. No more awkward silences at parties, just hit play. Advanced Music Optimizer. Lost details? It's got a metal detector. Compressed MP3s get their sparkle back like Cinderella at midnight. WMA, AAC, MP3 restored to their original glory. DSP listening mode reconstructs missing data like audio archaeologists. Your favorite tracks sound fresher than a minty breeze. User-friendly interface. Grandma could set this up, blindfolded. Feature-packed but not feature-overwhelmed, no PhD required. Epic movie nights? This receiver brings the thunder. Binge sessions? Dialogue so clear you'll hear every plot twist. Gaming marathons? Footsteps behind you, victory ahead. All the most immersive AV tech right out of the box. Elevate your home entertainment, no rocket science needed. Onkyo's reliability, like that friend who never flakes. 5.2 channels mean big bass, crisp highs, and surround magic. Dolby Atmos, the sound equivalent of surround hugging you. Height Virtualizer simulates speakers you don't even own. DTS:X, audio that moves like a ninja in your living room. HDMI 2.1a, ready for today's and tomorrow's TVs. 8K video support, for when your eyes finally evolve. 4K 120, fast-paced action, zero motion blur. Dynamic HDR, more colors than a unicorn's daydream. AccuEQ calibrates your room like a sonic tailor. Bluetooth, wireless freedom, no strings attached. Pair once, play forever, unless your playlist is embarrassing. Music Optimizer turns compressed files into audio royalty. Restores lost details like a magician with a rabbit. Easy setup. Plug, play, and prepare for applause. Perfect for movie buffs, gamers, and accidental DJs. Supports all major audio formats. No FOMO here. Your living room transforms into a cinema, minus sticky floors. Onkyo TX-SR3100, the Swiss Army knife of receivers. Powerful, versatile, and smarter than your average toaster. Immersive sound wraps you like a warm audio blanket. Future-proof features keep your setup ahead of the curve. No need for extra speakers. Virtualization does the heavy lifting. Room calibration means you're always in the sweet spot. Bluetooth streaming, your phone's best friend. Advanced Music Optimizer, audio's fairy godparent. User-friendly design, no manual thumping required. Epic entertainment, minimal effort, just add popcorn. Onkyo TX-SR3100, the heart of your home theater. Backed by data, powered by innovation, loved by ears. Ready for movies, music, games, and everything between. Upgrade your sound. Upgrade your life. Upgrade to Onkyo TX-SR3100, because your couch deserves a front row seat. Bring home the future of audio today with Onkyo.